cold start. Maybe, yeah, it's a cold start. 82-degree cold start, whatever. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wolfie. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So today is going to be a video about my boy Justin out there in Cali. He just shipped his Camaro SS down to get some more done to his car. His car's already pretty, I don't want to say built, but it's kind of got like Magnuson supercharger, a few bolt-ons, but now he's getting forged internals, cam. It's gonna be nuts. His car's gonna be crazy. Probably push like 800 or 900 wheel. So it should be much faster than my car. In the half mile, I'm hoping for a pretty good matchup. Mine's 700 wheel, but I weigh less, more aerodynamic. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm pretty excited. This is gonna be cool. I'm ready to see his car. But I'm a little low on gas, so I'm gonna pull up to an e-stop real quick. Fill up. Well, apparently they were out of gas. Alright, so I found another e-station. Try this again. Hopefully that got some damn gas. Just met a couple dudes at the gas station. They both had Camaros, all modified and shit. And they're actually evacuating from the hurricane from New Orleans. So they said they're doing alright. Hopefully when they get back home, you know, their houses are all good and shit. That really sucks. Another thing I saw on the way here on the interstate was one of those like all white out sheriff Camaros. It's like the street racing task force Camaros. It's funny because I know they're probably slow as hell, but it's a like slow down like street racing and stuff, and so they're supposed to be like incognito like white Camaros. They're supposed to be able to, I guess, keep up with race cars. I mean, they're just Camaro SS's, but who knows? They could be like Justin's car and hella built. I doubt it. Almost there. One more mile. Y'all, so I got Justin's car out here in Houston, Texas, and you're probably wondering why it's all the way out here from California. He's gonna be getting some work done here at Pro Speed. Ryan's gonna be retuning the car. How much power do you think we're going for?
I don't know.
I know you don't like to talk horsepower numbers.
We don't talk horsepower numbers.
How about half mile? What do you think half mile? What do you think it'll do?
If I'm shooting on the low end, I'm gonna say maybe 170, but I think that's shooting way too low. It's getting a lot of stuff. It's getting, Jesus, I can't remember it's a laundry list.
Like pistons, cam.
Yeah, so it's getting the BRC cam kit. It's getting we're stepping down on the pulley size. We're adding meth. It's getting the drop-in pistons that Ryan designed. What else are we doing? Circle D converter. I'm not going to go into specs. Just getting a converter. And that's about it. It's already got the, Magnuson to 2650. Makes pretty good power. You guys already know the build. So it should be, I don't know, somewhere in the high 7s to like mid 8s to the tire. I don't know. It might make more. It might make less. But yeah, it should make some steam.
So with that being said, who do you got, me or Justin?
It depends how you guys are racing. Like you guys been going back and forth. It's been like, I think when you got your Z06, Justin came first and was like, I want to be my friend. He's got a C7 Z06. No problem. Let's do this. And a few months later, I think you came over and you didn't really say who you were, but you were just kind of like, hey, I want to get a stage 1. I got beat by a Camaro. Yeah. And then I think I posted like your car on the story, and then Justin was like, hey, that's Austin. That's the Z06 I want to beat. And I was like, well, now he's going to beat you. So yeah. You guys been going back and forth. I really think that it's going to be close. You might get him on the big end, but My Tesla? Oh shit, alright.
So I've actually got Justin's keys right here. Let's go ahead and hop in. Alright Justin, here she is, buddy. All wrapped up, got all your tires back here. So we were talking about how, before we got interrupted by the rain, we were talking about how we've been going back and forth for a while. And so let's kind of go, I guess, where we left off.
Yeah, so you guys have been going back and forth for a while. I covered that. In terms of who's going to be faster, I don't know, man.
You gotta favor somebody.
I think it's tricky, right? Because he's going to get this car, and then shift sector is going to be where he learns how to drive it. So you're going to have a huge advantage, and you already know that your car gets off the line pretty good.
Yeah.
So you might have that advantage over him, but if you guys go from a row, or if he's just learns how to hook up really well, I think he might edge you out. It's tough. I mean, you'll have a 700 wheel Z06 walk 800 horsepower Camaro all day just because of the weight and the aero. But I mean, you guys are both drivers. You guys both learned a lot from us. So it's a driver's race, right? Like, he's got more power, he's got more weight. Theoretically, he should outrun you, but I don't know, man. I don't know. It'll be fun for sure.
I'm excited to see. Alright, Justin. Well, here you go, bud. Car's dropped off. The build is going to start either today or tomorrow. See you soon, man. Well, buddy, your car is getting ready to be built. I'm super excited for you. I know you're freaking pumped. I'm just excited as you are to get your car back, get it freaking built up, chopping away. It's gonna be fucking insane. I am ready to bring it to my house, have both the cars in my garage. That's gonna be quite a view every day. That's gonna be badass. And then of course, can't wait to see you next month. Come down, hang out for the week, ride around, chill, go get in some trouble maybe, have some fun. Shift sector is gonna be such a badass time. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.